Hi everyone, welcome back to Enriched Learning Academies channel. I'm Dr. Nichole Byrne, a passionate educator with over 24 years of experience working with children and families. Today, I'm excited to talk about a topic that's a really big milestone for every parent and child, potty training. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. Potty training is a process that requires patience, consistency, and a little bit of creativity. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips and strategies to make this journey smoother and even enjoyable. First things first, how do you even know when your child is ready for potty training? Here are some common things to look for. They may stay dry for 2 to 3 hours at a time. They show interest in the bathroom or mimic your behavior. They can communicate their needs verbally or with gestures. And lastly, they dislike wearing wet or soiled diapers. That's a big one. But remember, every child is different, so it's important not to rush this step. Readiness can happen anywhere between 18 months to 3 years or even later. I am so sorry to tell you that there isn't a magic wand to make it happen, and there is no crystal ball to predict even when it will happen. However, we do have some strategies that can help. Once you've identified whether your child's ready, the next step is creating a consistent routine. This helps your child understand when and how to use the potty. Start by scheduling regular potty breaks every 2 hours. Encourage them to sit on the potty after meals, before bedtime, and first thing in the morning. Here's a little pro tip. Make it fun. Sing a potty song, read a short book, or use a sticker chart to celebrate small successes. Positive reinforcement goes an incredibly long way in keeping your child motivated. Having the right tools can make all the difference. So here are some of my recommendations. A child-sized potty chair that's easy for your child to access, training underwear or pull-ups for a smoother transition, fun potty training books or toys like Everyone Poops, or a favorite stuffed animal that practices with them. I will tell you from experience that the most recent child I read Everyone Poops to started using the potty the following week. Sometimes it really does just happen, just like that. Make sure everything is accessible to your child so they feel independent and in control. Now, let's talk about the messy part, accidents. They're inevitable, and that's okay. When accidents happen, stay calm and avoid showing frustration. Simply remind your child where the potty is and encourage them to try next time. Use phrases like, "Oops, that's okay. Let's clean up together." The goal is to create a stress-free environment where your child feels supported, not pressured. Potty training doesn't always go smoothly, and that's normal. Here are some common challenges and solutions. Fear of the potty. Use books or role play to help them feel more comfortable. Resistance to sitting. Start with short potty breaks and gradually increase over time. Nighttime training. Focus on daytime training first. Nighttime dryness often takes longer to develop. Some parents have their child wear a pull-up at night or even during naps in the day. Remember, regression is common during big life changes like starting daycare or welcoming a new sibling. Sometimes it can even be the smallest thing that you might not even have thought about that's impacting your child's feelings. It's just important to stay consistent and supportive. Celebrate every little success, whether it's sitting on the potty, trying to go, or actually using it. A high five, a sticker, or a big cheer can make them feel so proud of their accomplishment. You can also create a fun reward system. For example, after 5 stickers on their chart, they get a special treat, like an extra bedtime story or a small toy. Potty training is a journey, and it's not a race. Every child learns at their own pace. As long as you're consistent, patient, and loving, your child will get there. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more parenting and early childhood education content. And if you have any potty training tips or stories, share them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're doing an amazing job as a parent. I'll see you in the next video.